In larger events, right, you may have more tasks, right? With speaker management, guess what? I do that. In conjunction with events, right? Do we know that term? ICW, in conjunction with? Say no, I don't know what that is. Okay, good. An in conjunction with event is an event that's happening because your meeting is happening, right? My meeting doesn't do dinners, right? But my sponsors and my exhibitors do dinners, right? Those events are in conjunction with my event. So we call that an ICW, okay? I'm assuming everybody knows what an unanticipated event or a pop-up is. Say no, I don't know what that is. Okay, good, Shirley. Good, Beverly. You know when you're on site and at the last minute somebody goes, hey, do you have a room I can use? I really need to sit down with 32 other people and meet with them, and I didn't think about it until 10 minutes ago. And could you provide me with all this AV, and I'm going to need a tray of roast beef sandwiches, right? And I need it to start in 15 minutes. Can you do that for me? That's an unanticipated event or a pop-up. Happens all the time. Oh, and I don't want to pay for any of it, by the way. A larger event also, you're going to work with a lot of suppliers, and there'll be a team of people who will be working together.